You are a grand prize winner of RM17, 1970 Dodge Charger, and 20 grand in cash.
Yeah! You're trying to give me a heart attack, but thank you.
We're live right now on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. If you're watching us, you already know that because you're here and you know why we're here. We're here to call the winner of RM17, this beautiful 1970 Dodge Charger. I've received the winner's info from Compliance Sweepstakes Services, which is our third-party legal sweepstakes firm. The winner's name is Gerald. Let's give him a call and see if we can get an answer on this. Everybody ready?
Yeah.
Are you out there? I can't even hear you. Oh my Lord. Let me crank this up here.
Hey everybody, this is Rod. Leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Let's try it again.
Hey everybody, this is Rod. Leave me a message and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Yeah, hi, I'm trying to reach Gerald. My name is Chris with RestoMods.com. Give me a call back at this number, please.
Hey everybody.
Let's do one more try here.
Hey everybody.
Nope.
2 hours later.
All right, so 2.5 hours ago, we tried to call the winner of RM17. We attempted to call Gerald, who's not answering his phone, left a voicemail, waited a couple hours, and he just called me back. I told him I was kind of a little bit busy, and we set up the cameras again, and we are going to call him back now, and hopefully he picks up this time. Crank up the volume here.
Hello?
Yeah, hi, is this Gerald Spickelmire?
Yes.
Hi, Gerald. My name's Chris. I'm calling from RestoMods.com.
How you doing?
Good. How are you?
Been a lot worse, so I ain't crying.
All right, fair enough. I apologize for blowing up your phone a little bit earlier. I noticed you're a member over here at RestoMods.com, and you recently purchased a hat from us as well.
Yes.
And the hat gave you entries to win a 1970 Dodge Charger big block car and 20 grand in cash.
Yeah?
So this morning we were supposed to do this live call and call the winner live like 2.5 hours ago. And that's why I was blowing up your phone.
Holy crap.
Yeah, man, you are a grand prize winner of RM17 at RestoMods.com of 1970 Dodge Charger and 20 grand in cash.
Yeah! Holy, wow.
I'm not kidding you.
You're trying to give me a heart attack, but thank you.
No heart attack, I hope.
No, I'm still breathing. This is...
Oh, good. Oh, good. So you know the car I'm talking about?
Yes, I know exactly which car you're talking about.
What were you doing about 2.5 hours ago when I was blowing up your phone?
Actually, I got the day off today because injured myself at work, but I was taking a nap.
Uh-oh. Well, I hope you're not too seriously injured in your...
No, I can walk, talk, and I'm fine.
Hopefully you can walk, talk, and drop the clutch on a big block 1970 Charger.
That's for damn sure.
I like it. Well, hopefully this will make your day a little bit better, even though you do have a day off, although it's for getting injured at work, so I hope you're all right. And I'd never heard of Payette, Idaho, and so I did a little Googling, and I heard you guys have a summer car show there.
Yes, we do. We call it Cruise Night at the local A&W.
I hope they appreciate classic Mopar muscle over there. I'm assuming you're going to take your new ride to the cruise night.
You don't even have to ask me twice.
What do you do for work, Gerald?
I'm a finger joint tech over at Woodgrain Woodworks. It's in Fruitland.
Okay. Hopefully they'll give you a little bit of more time off work so we can fly you out here to San Diego. Does that sound good?
I can definitely check.
Yeah, what we'd like to do, if possible, is fly you and a friend, buddy, wife, whatever you want, somebody you want to bring with you, down here to San Diego, hang out with us, check out your prize car. We'll give you 20 grand in cash, and then we'll fly you home and ship you the car straight to your address, or you can drive it home. At that point, it's your car, so whatever you want to do with it is up to you.
All right.
Just a couple, questions that I like to talk to winners. I get to do this a couple times a year, and so it's a lot of fun for me to call somebody just like you and tell them that they won. Did you, when you were buying the hat and signing up and everything, it's the internet, it's 2022, how real did you think it was that you actually had a chance to win the car?
Well, I've never won the lottery more than $10 on a scratch ticket, but you can't win unless you play, so.
Those are wise words right there, Jared. You cannot win unless you play. That's 100% true. And for you, turned out to be a wise investment. All right, well, who's the first person you're gonna give a ride to in your 70 Charger?
People might laugh at me, but my mom.
I don't know anybody who's gonna laugh at you. That's a great answer.
She loves muscle cars with a T. Her favorite is a 68 Vet, but I don't think she's gonna turn down a ride in that Charger.
Oh yeah, I don't think so either. It's quite a bit bigger than the Vet, so maybe a little bit more comfortable. That's awesome. All right, Jared, well, I appreciate your time. I appreciate you calling me back. And again, from us here at RestoMods.com, congratulations to you.
Yeah.
Get that paperwork turned around as quickly as you can, and we will begin the process of getting you out here to claim your prize.
All right, thanks.
Okay, thanks a lot, Gerald, and congratulations again.
Thanks.
Okay, take care. He seemed a little bit in shock. So congratulations again to Gerald Spickelmire. I hope I'm saying that right, from Payette, Idaho. He's gonna be cruising his new 1970 Dodge Charger in the cruise night there. It's a pretty small town in Idaho, so pretty picturesque spot for the 70 Charger from RM17 to end up. And if your name's not Jared and I didn't just call you, make sure you're entered to win RM18, this 1968 Camaro, and I could be calling you next.